In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload pre-recorded audio on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit at plus sign and select post or reel. I'm gonna select reel, and then you can tap at that music sign, and in order to upload recorded audio you should tap where it says import. That allows you to import the video, which includes the audio that you want to use, and then Instagram app will take that audio from the video and you will be able to use it on your post or reel. To upload video, just select any from your camera roll. After that, you will be able to select the exact part of the audio that you want to use in that way, and then just hit at done. After that, you can tap at that record button and hold your finger on it to record a reel, and the audio will play on the background. If you have a recorded audio file in that way, you should create a video from that audio file. So I recommend you to do it in that way. Just go to the control center and then hit at that icon to record your screen. Once time widget change its background to red, that means that the screen is now being recorded, then just hit at that play button and wait until the end of that voice recording or that audio file. After that, tap right here, hit at stop, and that will save the video with your screen recording and audio on the background. And after that, you will be able to upload that video in the same way. Hit on import and then just paste that screen recording to take audio from that video. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.